Hello and welcome to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets, then giving them away. If you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then tune in to IT Pro TV's very first YouTube Live on Friday, December 11th at 2 p.m. Eastern to see if you are a lucky winner. You won't want to miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. All right, today is the third day of IT, and that means Ronnie will be unboxing a network cable tester. Ronnie, take it away.
All right, thanks, Zach. For the next gift that we're actually giving away for the 12 Days of IT is going to be, well, this. This is going to be TRENDnet's VDV USB cable tester is what we're actually seeing here. So if you're actually working with cables, sometimes they can cause issues, believe it or not, and this would be a handy tool to have. So what's actually in this box is what we're actually going to take a look at. So as we do that, we'll go ahead and open it up. And it comes in, oh, this is kind of neat here, if I can pull it out. A nice little handy case. I'm going to put the box aside over there. And you actually see they have a case, and if you want to hook it on to a strap of something, you can go ahead and do that. And as we open it up, it does require a 9-volt battery. You want to make sure that you do take a look at it. Has some instructions in it. Ooh, looks like some handy little adapters as well. The adapters are actually very nice for you because they actually allow you to be able to kind of test out some of the different ports and plugs that we see. So for instance, as you actually take a look, there's actually several different types of plugs that are available there. One, of course, is the RJ45, and then the USB A and B ports that you have. And this is not done for a live test. So you don't want to plug this into a computer and then plug the other end of this into this here. But it actually allows you to test a cable. So they have the other end of this, which is down here on this part that you actually are able to see. I'm trying to make sure we can see that you see. And here's the plug in for that. Now, it's a little bit strange in terms of how they've actually done this. For you to be able to get this thing off so that you can put a battery inside of it, you actually see here's the battery panel. You have to kind of slide this thing forward. So what do I mean by that? You kind of have to push it, oh, I'm lying to you, slide it backwards. And that comes off. Once you do that, you can then take a cable. For instance, I have one here at the side. Plug that in. And then on the other end of this, we take the same jack and we plug it in here too. Now, with that, you turn it on. So you see that it actually does work for you. And there's several different modes that you can actually take a look at as you do this. So by actually being able to see that, it's learning, and it's actually doing a test right now. It says if I hold this down for 2 seconds or so, that should put it into a test mode. Then it automatically tells me, it says, look, everything is actually good. And I have a little pass signal right here that you're actually able to see. See if I can hold that in a different angle. And see if you can see that right there. So that means everything is actually good in terms of the test there. Now, there are different modes that you can go into if you choose to allow it to do some of the different scanning that it can actually do, go through every single conductor that you have. But that in itself is TRENDnet's particular transmitter and receiver along with the testing that we actually have. And this is what we'll actually be boxing up for you, whoever the lucky winner is going to be. All right, well, that's enough for me. Back to you, Zach.
Thanks, Ronnie. It's always important to test our cables. Now, would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. On Friday, December 11th, tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for a YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Now, go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift.